Magandang araw, ngayon po ay Linggo, November 17, 2024. Update ulit tayo sa lagay ng panahon. Super Typhoon Pipito na panatili ang lakas. Signal number 5, nakataas pa rin po sa silangan ng Pulilio at Calaguas. Taglay pa rin po ang napakalakas na hangin na 185 km per hour at bugsong 255 km per hour matapos itong hinambalos ang Catanduanes. Signal number 5 nakataas po sa silangang Pulilio Islands at Calaguas Islands. Signal number 4 sa Siruma, Camarines Sur, the rest of Camarines Norte, the rest of Pulilio Islands, central and southern portion of Aurora, eastern Nueva Ecija, southeastern Nueva Vizcaya at Nagtipunan, Quirino. Signal number 3 naman sa northern portion ng Camarines Sur, western Catanduanes, eastern Quezon Province, eastern Laguna, eastern and central Rizal, the rest of Aurora, eastern and central Bulacan, northeastern Pampanga, the rest of Nueva Ecija, Tarlac, northern Zambales, the rest of Nueva Vizcaya, rest of Quirino, southern Isabela, central and southern Ilocos Sur, La Union, Pangasinan, Benguet, Ifugao, western Mountain Province, and southern Abra. Habang signal number 2 sa Albay, northern Marinduque, rest of Quezon, rest of Laguna, rest of Rizal, Cavite, northern Batangas, Metro Manila, Bataan, rest of Pampanga, rest of Bulacan, rest of Zambales, southwestern Cagayan, rest of Isabela, rest of Abra, southern Apayao, Kalinga, rest of Mountain Province, the rest of Ilocos Sur, and southern Ilocos Norte. At signal number 1 naman po sa northern Masbate, kasama na po Anticao at Burias Island, rest of Marinduque, northern Oriental Mindoro, northern Romblon, northern Occidental Mindoro, Lubang Island, rest of Batangas, rest of Cagayan, rest of Apayao, and rest of Ilocos Norte. Inaasahang tatama ang bagyong Pipito ngayong araw sa Aurora at tatawirin ang buong central northern Luzon mamayang hapon hanggang gabi.